Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Painting Realtor. On today's Do-It-Yourself, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn a basic mirror, frameless mirror, into a glam mirror, okay? Anybody could do this. I know you can do this, and I'm going to show you how. Before we get into it, if you hear me talking with a list, it's because I am, okay? I don't normally have a list, but I just got these clear aligners and they are wearing me out. I mean, they're changing the way I talk, pronunciate, and everything, okay? So forgive me in advance. But anyway, before we get into the do-it-yourself, I would love for you to make sure you like, subscribe, share, and please comment your thoughts. I would love to hear feedback from you guys. So let's get into it. Let's start off with the supplies I'm going to use. So in the description, in the description section, I am going to put the tools and the supplies that I used and where I got it from in the description box. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is pretty much all the supplies that I'm going to need to be able to do the do-it-yourself. Here are my mirror towels, and I put the measurements that I got in the description box. And these are what I'm going to use as far as my color. These are mirror towels as well, but they are just a smaller measurement, of course, and I already cut them down to the size that I'm going to be using. You need a Gorilla Glue or any kind of heavy duty construction glue, and of course the gun that goes with it. And next you are going to need blue tape. The blue tape is going to secure the towels in place. So this is going in my bottom corner. Ain't they so cute? I just love how these little bitty mirror towels, they so adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now, yeah, so I went to try to make the hole bigger and I forgot. Now I can't even put this tip back on. I have to use another heavy duty adhesive, which I really like Gorilla Glue, but I guess I have nothing against this one. But I done sawed the tip. I done sawed the tip off and can't put nothing. So, and I just don't want a big, I don't know. Well, no, I just don't want a big, all this coming out, you know. You know what? No, it's gonna work today. So I got the bottom done in less than 5 minutes. The key is preparation. Oh, the key is preparation. You gotta stay ready. You gotta be ready. Okay. Anyway, so next, I did learn something while I was doing it. Instead of the gloves, make sure I just spread it like that. And pretty much I just press the gun down on it and spread it like that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with going up. And make sure you're pressing. Make sure you are pressing. That's what it looks like. And I advise you to work fast, especially if you go ahead and put the glue on it, on the back of them, like I did here. Yeah, I can work really fast. That Gorilla Glue is no joke. And it's no shade to the Gorilla Glue girl, but you know, you can't play with this stuff. No. Let me calm down because I was just like really panicking for like 2 seconds just then. But it is all good.